Bonjour, welcome back to French for Middle Schoolers. In this video, we're going to cover the French prepositions, the rules when talking about a country, and conjunctions. First, let's start with the two important prepositions, à and de. The preposition à generally means to or at. When you use à before the definite articles, it forms different contractions. À plus le is au, à plus la is à la, à plus le is au, and a plus L apostrophe is a L apostrophe. Let's go over a few example sentences so you understand how to use these rules when talking in French. Je donne la lettre à Sarah. I give the letter to Sarah. Elle est à l'hôpital. She is at the hospital. Nous promenons au parc. We walk at the park. Tu es à la table. You are at the table. Vous parlez aux filles. You speak to the girls. Notice how for the first sentence, there is no definite article in the sentence, so you can use the regular form of a. Next, the preposition de generally means from or of, and like the preposition a, it also forms contractions with definite articles. De plus le is du, de plus la is de la, de plus le is de, and de plus L apostrophe is de L apostrophe. As you can see, the contractions are similar to those formed by a. Now pay attention to the various contractions as we go over a few sentences. Il est le frère de Nicolas. He is the brother of Nicholas. J'arrive de l'aéroport. I arrive from the airport. Nous promenons du parc. We walk from the park. Le train arrive de la gare. The train arrives from the station. Tu regardes des fenêtres. You watch from the windows. Again, notice how in the first sentence there is no definite article, so you must use the regular form of the preposition. Next, we will cover how to use the prepositions with countries and cities. For cities, to say that you are in or going to a city, you would use the preposition à, for example, à Paris. And to say that you are from or coming from a city, you would use the preposition de, for example, de Paris. For countries, there are different rules for masculine and feminine countries. For masculine countries, to say to, you would say au, for example, au Japon. And from is du, for example, du Japon. For feminine countries and masculine countries starting with vowels, to is en, for example, en France, and from is de, for example, de France. And for plural countries, to is au, for example, aux États-Unis, and from is de, for example, des États-Unis. Finally, we are going to go over the three main conjunctions that you should know. Et, which means and, mais, which means but, and ou, which means or. These words are used to link sentences together and are basically used the same way they are in English. Well, that's it for this video. I know learning all the prepositions and conjunctions can be difficult at first, but you'll definitely get it with the practice. Au revoir.